conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike, and Schuylkill. And in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station WXL39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the regional weather synopsis. A surface trough is expected to develop across the East Coast today and remain in place through Friday. A backdoor front may sink across the area Friday, before the temperature was 86 degrees with sunny skies at Lehigh Valley International Airport. The dew point was 66 degrees, and the relative humidity 51%. The wind was variable at 15 miles an hour. The pressure 29.91 inches and rising. Some conditions threaten on portions of eastern Pennsylvania at 11 a.m. Where was sunny, with a temperature of 83 on Wilkes-Barre, Scranton, 79 at Hazleton, and 87 in Doylestown. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 78 in Mount Pocono, 85 in Harrisburg, and 84 in Lancaster, at Philadelphia. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 89. Here are some conditions in northern New Jersey at 11 a.m. It was 83 in Andover. It was sunny, with a temperature of 84 in Sussex, 88 in Morristown, 88 in Somerville, and 87 in Trenton. At Newark, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 90. Among other locations at 11 a.m. It was sunny, with a temperature of 86 in New York City.